How to set up Cloudflare DNS on Windows 11. So what you're gonna have to do is just go ahead into your settings. You can search it up yourself, but once you're in your settings, go to network and internet and choose whichever option you're using from either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you're in your Wi-Fi, you just go ahead and choose on hardware properties and choose this, which is the DNS server assignment. But if you're using Ethernet over here, what you're gonna have to do is go to the DNS server assignment, the same with the Wi-Fi option. So press an edit over here and choose manual DNS settings, put in IPv4 and put your preferred DNS as 1.1, 1.1 and the alternate DNS as 1.0.0.1. Then just go ahead and press and save. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.